In your witness statement, you say again that you took care to explain these concepts in a way that was comprehensible, which was appropriate. And a couple of sentences on, some points had to be explained repeatedly, and some areas proved more difficult to get across than others. You say, late afternoon meeting with the PM on schools. My God, this is complicated. Models will not provide the answer. PM is clearly bamboozled. PM is still confused on different types of test. He holds it in his head for a session, and then it goes. Watching PM get his head round stats is awful. He finds relative and absolute risk almost impossible to understand. PM struggled with whole concept of doubling times, just couldn't get it. This is from later in the year, September. Talked PM through the graphs. It's difficult. He asked questions like, which line is the dark red one? Is he colourblind? Then, so you think positivity has gone up overnight? Oh, well. Then, oh God, bloody hell. But it's all the same stuff he was shown 6 hours ago. Was there a more serious problem with him than that which you describe in the witness statement?
Well, I think I'm right in saying that the Prime Minister at the time gave up science when he was 15. And I think he'd be the first to admit it wasn't his forte, and that he did struggle with some of the concepts, and we did need to repeat them often. I would also say that a meeting that sticks in my mind was with fellow science advisors from across Europe, when one of them, and I won't say which country, declared that the leader of that country had enormous problems with exponential curves, and the entire phone call burst into laughter because it was true in every country. So I do not think that there was necessarily a unique inability to grasp some of these concepts with the Prime Minister at the time, but it was hard work sometimes to try and make sure that he had understood what a particular graph or piece of data was saying,